alaikum. My name is Muhammad Khusham Ali, and today I will be talking about multipath TCP or MPTCP, which is a powerful technology that allow our phone to use both Wi-Fi and cellular data at the same time. We will explore how it works, why it is needed, and where it is being used in the real world. First of all, we will go to the introduction to MPTCP. MPTCP is an extension of the traditional TCP protocol, which most internet connections use today. The main idea is simple. Instead of using one network path per connection, MPTCP can use multiple paths simultaneously. So your device can send data through both Wi-Fi and mobile data at once. This makes connections more faster, reliable, and ensures seamless switching when one network weakens, for example, when you move out of Wi-Fi range. Next, we will go through the motivations behind MPTCP. In traditional TCP, if the single path fails, the connection breaks, leading to buffering or dropped calls. But modern devices have multiple interfaces like Wi-Fi, 5G, or even Ethernet on laptops. So why not all of them used together? That's what MPTCP does. It combines these interfaces to increase throughput, reduce downtime, and improve user experience. Next, we will discuss the working of MPTCP. MPTCP split data into smaller pieces called subflows. Each subflow works like a normal TCP connection, but MPTCP layer coordinates them all. It decides how to send, receive, and reassemble data efficiently. For example, if Wi-Fi slows down, MPTCP can automatically shift traffic to mobile data, all without interrupting the connection. This smart management happens behind the scene, invisible to the user. The receiver reassembles these packets into a single continuous stream, so if one path is unstable, the communication remains smooth and uninterrupted. Next, we will discuss the benefits of MPTCP. MPTCP brings several benefits. It increases throughput by combining bandwidth from multi-paths. It ensures seamless mobility, so switching between network and mobile data is instant. It offers high reliability because the connection survives even if one link drops. And overall, it makes better use to available network resources. There are some real-world applications of MPTCP. MPTCP is already used in many areas like smartphone, use it to keep stable connection when Wi-Fi or mobile data fluctuates. Cloud providers can and data center use it for faster data transfer across multiple links. Next, we will go through the challenges which MPTCP face. MPTCP face some challenges. Managing congestion across multiple paths is complex. Some network devices like firewall and NATs may not fully support it yet. It can also increase energy consumption on mobile devices. And finally, implementing MPTCP requires updating on both client and server side. Next, we will discuss future and research directions. In future, MPTCP will likely integrate more deeply with 5G and edge computing. Researchers are exploring AI-based path selection to make routing smarter and more adaptive. There is also work being done to enhance security and encryption, and to deploy MPTCP in Internet of Things and vehicular networks, where multiple connections are common. At last, MPTCP revolutionized the way our devices connect, but intelligently, using multiple network interfaces, it improves speed, reliability, and mobility. It is a major step forward in modern networking and help deliver that always connect experience we all expected today. Thank you for listening.